Did you know that there is ChatGPT built into your kvCORE for emailing and texting correspondence? So when you go and find anybody, if you want to email or call, I'm just going to go ahead and open mine up. When I come over here to these action items, if I want to send an email, there is Use Smart Assistant. It is not available in the advanced editor, which is what I personally use. But for a quick personal one-to-one email, you can use Smart Assistant. They've already set up a couple prompts that you could use, or you can write your own. Of course, always kind of look it over, review it. Just know these are targeted and the prompt is written to be specific for a real estate agent. But if you're going to write your own prompt, make sure, correspondence, looking to, reply to an email regarding this listing or blah, blah, blah. But it is pretty cool. So here's like a welcome message I can just generate because it's going to give that prompt right there. And look at all this, like magic, it happens. And these pre-written notes already have the tags. So it'll pull in first name, last name, your information. These are already pre-written prompts that include all of those merge tags and stuff like that. So definitely go in next time you're going to send a message, an email or a text message. Use that Smart Assistant. Check that out. I believe soon they will be adding this feature for the blogs and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for more information, but make sure to check this out because this is pretty cool and awesome and a great way if you're unsure how to reply to an email. They already have pre-written really cool stuff already for you. So go check it out. Thanks.